Hello, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 1. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and as you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display in this menu. Firstly, we can change brightness level of the display manually, enable or disable eye comfort mode, automate schedule it, and change color temperature of the display. Next, we can change sleep timeout between 15 seconds or never, adjust font size, enable or disable auto-rotate screen, and adjust status bar. For example, we can enable or disable show network speed, select battery percentage to not show, inside battery icon or next to battery icon. And we can enable or disable notifications icons in folder. In more display settings, we can set screensaver, manage full screen apps, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.